Hello everyone, and welcome back to Quick English Talk, where learning English is simple and fun. I'm Sarah.
Hi, Sarah. Hello, everyone listening. I'm really happy to be here today. How are you?
I'm doing great, thank you. I feel happy to talk with you and our listeners.
That's nice to hear. So, Sarah, what are we talking about today?
Today's topic is very important. It's about you. We will talk about how to focus on yourself.
That's a great topic. Life is busy, and sometimes we forget about ourselves.
Yes, we think about work, school, family, but we forget me time.
That's true. Taking time for yourself is very important.
Before we start, we have a small request. If you like our content, please subscribe to Quick English Talk, like this video, and share it with your friends.
Thank you so much for your support. Main topic. So, Sarah, what does focus on yourself mean?
For me, it means doing something just for me, not something that makes me feel calm and happy.
I like that. Not for others, but for yourself.
Yes, it's like being your own best friend.
That's a beautiful idea. Simple ways to focus on yourself. What is one simple way?
Reading a book.
Oh yes, I love reading. It feels peaceful.
Yes, it's quiet time. Just you and your book.
I like simple adventure stories with happy endings.
Nice, I enjoy books with pictures. They help me relax.
What's another idea?
Go for a walk.
That's a good one. I walk almost every day.
Where do you go?
I like walking in the park. I enjoy trees and fresh air.
Me too. Nature feels very relaxing.
And music.
Yes, music is powerful. It can change your mood.
I listen to happy pop music.
I like soft piano music. It helps me feel calm.
Hobbies. What about hobbies?
Hobbies are great. They are fun and relaxing.
What's your hobby?
I like gardening. I take care of small plants.
That sounds peaceful.
It is. What about you?
I enjoy cooking.
Oh, nice. What do you cook?
Simple food like pasta. Cooking helps me relax.
Like meditation in the kitchen.
Exactly.
Saying no. But sometimes we are too busy.
Yes, because we say yes to everything.
That's true. So sometimes we must say no.
It's not easy, but it's important.
You can say it politely. Sorry, I need some rest today.
That's a good way.
Sleep. Another important thing is sleep.
Yes, sleep is very important.
When I sleep well, I feel happy and strong.
Me too. Good sleep gives energy.
Quiet time. I have one more simple idea.
What is it?
Just sit quietly.
No phone, no music.
Yes, just sit and breathe.
For how long?
Even 2 to 5 minutes is enough.
That sounds very relaxing.
It's like a short break for your brain.
Final thoughts. So we have many ideas: reading, walking, music, hobbies, saying no, sleep, and quiet time.
Yes, and they are all simple.
You don't need much time. Even 10 minutes is enough.
Start with one small step.
Maybe listen to one song.
Or take a short walk.
Or read a few pages before sleep.
Small steps can make you feel better.
Closing. Taking care of yourself is not selfish.
Yes, it is necessary.
When you feel good, you can help others better.
Exactly. It's good for you and for others. Now we have a question for you.
What do you do to focus on yourself?
Tell us in the comments.
And don't forget to subscribe to Quick English Talk, like, and share this video.
Thank you for listening.
Take care of yourself.
Bye.
Goodbye.